Hey Sonoran Scalers, what's going on? Today I've got a hard body from Injora, just came from China, and we're gonna bust it open together. I just cut the package open, but I actually haven't even cracked into it yet. So we're gonna be seeing what's inside of here for the first time together. This is a builder's kit, so everything is likely quite packaged up in here. But it is a Jeep hard body. All right, so I've got everything cracked open here. These are still in their individual baggies, all the separate parts. There are baggies within baggies. This is a lot of parts. There are a lot of parts here. One other thing, the instruction manual. So this is what you get, and it's fine. I just think it's actually, I don't know, it's funny to me. I don't really know why, other than the fact that normally something like this would come with some instructions and you have a difficult time deciphering what they're actually trying to tell you to do, because the English will be, you know, either broken or words are interchanged or word ordering is strange, and oftentimes they can end up more confusing than just trying to wing it with the thing. So I don't know if their intention with this was, hey, we're gonna try to just give you a visual reference and not confuse you in any other way. I don't know what the intent was, but it is what it is. I mean, and this can't be that hard to figure out what goes where. It's just a lot of pieces, and it's going to take some time. It's all together. It took the better part of a day, only a few hours to put the body kit itself together. It really was pretty straightforward. Nothing too difficult at all, nothing that anybody should be afraid to undertake. Even with the most basic of RC tools, you will be able to get through this and end up with a really cool finished product. I mean, fully functional doors. This thing's got scale realism kind of throughout. Inside the interior, it's got steering wheel, shifter levers, center console, air vents, full seats. It's a nice body. I think it's got a good look to it. Just to give you a quick glimpse at kind of what is going on underneath here. Sheet metal. I just cut some sheet metal and made a tray for each side, one to hold the ESC, one to hold the receiver. I also added a metal, I just cut and bent a metal plate here to act as a forward mount battery tray. So I can fit a shorty pack kind of mounted in this vertical position here. Keeps the weight forward. It's up higher than I would like it to be, but it's gonna work at least for now. It was really the only place available that you could fit a battery up in here. Was you were afforded quite a bit of room up here in front of the firewall. As soon as we've got weather that is cooperative, I can't wait to get this thing out in the desert and see it climb up some rocks. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for stopping. Take care.